Hello viewers, this is Jubli Saikia and you're watching My News NE. Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang today hailed the teaching and guidelines of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar for guiding India towards equality and justice. Here we are bringing you the full details. Sikkim CM Pace hails B.R. Ambedkar for guiding country to equality and justice. CM extended his warm greetings and best wishes to the people of Sikkim. Dr. Ambedkar's vision guides India towards equality and justice. His life inspires reflection on equality, liberty, and fraternity. Ambedkar advocated for education and justice for marginalized communities. He championed gender equality and inclusive social upliftment efforts. His legacy promotes unity and a society free from discrimination. Yes, viewers, Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang today hailed the teachings and visions of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar for guiding India in its journey towards equality and justice. On the occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti, the Chief Minister extended his warm greetings and best wishes to the people of Sikkim and the rest of the country. He stated that the birth anniversary of Dr. Ambedkar is not just a celebration but also a moment to reflect on the values of equality, liberty, and fraternity that he stood for. Dr. Ambedkar, he stated, he was a great jurist, social reformer, and the chief of the Indian constituency whose contributions have shaped the modern Indian nation. Dr. Ambedkar worked for a society where no one is judged by their caste or background. His life reminds us of the importance of education, justice, and equal rights for all. CM Tamang said in a message. He highlighted that Dr. Ambedkar was a strong supporter of gender equality and education for all, especially for the marginalized and unprivileged communities. In 1923, Dr. Ambedkar started to help promote education and social uplift for the oppressed sections of society. This step, he stated, showed Dr. Ambedkar's deep concern for inclusive growth and justice. CM Tamang also pointed out the recognition of his remarkable service to the nation. Ambedkar was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award. In 2021, the Government of India declared April 14 a public holiday to honor his legacy and lifelong struggle for the rights of the downtrodden. CM Tamang urged everyone to take inspiration from Dr. Ambedkar's life and work to create a society that is fair, inclusive, and free from discrimination. Yes, viewers, Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang commemorated Ambedkar Jayanti today, delivering a heartfelt message that resonated within the spirit of the day. He extended his warmest greetings to the citizens of Sikkim and the entire nation, emphasizing the enduring relevance of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's teaching and vision in India's ongoing pursuit of equality and justice. The Chief Minister articulated that Ambedkar Jayanti transcends mere celebrations, serving as a pivotal movement on the fundamental values of equality, liberty, and fraternity campaigned by Dr. Ambedkar. He recognized Ambedkar as a jurist, a transformative social reformer, and the principal of the Indian Constitution whose profound contributions have shaped the modern Indian state. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News MN.